Hi, this is a compact version of the TTS project, a non-invasive sound therapy device to manage tinnitus by retraining the brain, designed using several studied methods. This video is a quick walkthrough on how to use the device. For this version, all you need is to download and install Max MSP, which is free to use for projects like these with no paid externals. Assuming you do not know your exact tinnitus frequency yet, start by finding yours using the built-in tool. Click Turn On, match the sound, and use the fine-tune slider for precision. You can turn this off by clicking the mute button. Once you figured out your frequency, type it in the box named Your T Frequency and press the spacebar key to start the device. For those who prefer a simpler solution, you do not need to do anything else as the device starts working with just a single button press. For traditional sound therapy, choose a natural sound from the playlist or add your own recording that masks your ringing. Example recordings are provided from American Tinnitus Association's library and my own collection. Use the faders to blend in the sine wave signal with recordings, or apply white noise to mask your tinnitus. I would advise to start with volume low and tune it to your comfort, without tiring or damaging your ears. Your condition might respond better to a more recent method called notch therapy. This method involves removing your tinnitus frequency from the entire audio mix. Adjust the notch width dial until your tinnitus sound blends into the mix. You'll see a rough representation of the notch width on the scope here. Usually, sine wave stimulation isn't needed, so you can lower the sine wave faders for this method. If your condition responds better to the acoustic coordinated reset neuromodulation method, press the buttons here to activate a frequency variance range. This will slightly detune each sine wave pulse to retrain your auditory cortex. The further you go right, the wider the detune range in the preset buttons. Start with the range where you can barely hear the detuning and adjust based on your ear's response. You can also manually enter a range value in this box here. In this method, the duration and timing between the pulses are key. Set pulse timing by adjusting the step time box in milliseconds. Most people recognize pitches in about 300 milliseconds. The swing setting adds rhythmic variation to pulses. Increasing the number makes the rhythm more irregular, helping to break predictable patterns. This can also serve as a compositional tool for creating interesting rhythmic structures within the therapy method. If your tinnitus fluctuates or is difficult to match with static sounds, this method would be more suitable to your condition. When you like a setting, take a snapshot for easy recall. Press Shift and click a box to save, or explore other presets by left-clicking on the boxes from alpha testers. This early version includes limited creative features to manipulate sound and create simple musical or rhythmical phrases. Upcoming videos will show examples of complex compositions. For now, you can use this slider to time warp natural sounds by speeding up, slowing down, or reversing them. Adjust these numbers to change the sine wave shape for softer pulses. The parameters ensure all therapy methods remain effective, allowing for more engaging sessions. The following videos will show how these features are implemented in different algorithmic compositions, whether melodic or abstract. Overall, this is a highly customizable sound therapy device based on well-studied methods, and it's still very simple to use. I hope this device helps you find relief for your condition.